Just tried to record this and I totally hit one of the buttons way before the other. All right, because I record my video and audio separately, and I don't think a second and a half off would be good here. So here's what we've got. Looks like an algebra problem I'd seen in algebra math class specifically. I have one number exceeds another by 13. If their sum is 91, what is the larger number? Okay, one number exceeds another by 13. If their sum is 91, what is the larger number? All right, so it looks like I've got a couple of things going on here. What I recommend you do is always just start by picking a variable for one thing. Pick it in terms of the thing you know the least about. Now, it doesn't matter which one you know the least about, but from my point of view, I think that the number, so one number exceeds another by 13. I think another number here is the one I know the least about, because I know something about the one number. It exceeds this another number by 13. So I'm going to let my variable, I think I'll be pretty unoriginal, we'll pick x. So x is going to be another number. Okay, now the reason that I wanted to pick just one of these is in this case I can write that other number in terms of this one. So one number, so this is going to be my one number, exceeds another by 13. So to exceed by 13, exceed means make bigger. So this number should be my another number, x, plus 13. Okay, so I've got one number right here, exceeds another number, see, exceeds another number by 13. Now I've got these two numbers, but they're both expressed in terms of just one variable. That means that if I can write an equation with them, I'll only have to solve a one variable equation. I won't need to do any substitution or anything. Not that it's bad here, and not that it's wrong to do it that way. But if you want to keep it as simple as possible, if you can write one of the expressions in terms of the other, one of your unknowns in terms of the other one, do so. Okay, it's a good way to keep organized. Now, I need to remember what the word sum means. Sum is what you get when you add things together. So the sum of these things is 91. That means that the sum of x plus 13 is 91. Okay, so this first x is another number, right? He's that guy up there. This x plus 13 is my one number that I started with, the x plus 13. So the sum of those guys is 91. When I add together x, my another number, and x plus 13, my one number, I get 91. All right, so now I have an equation that I just need to solve. To solve such an equation, I think I should first simplify. X and x are like terms. So x plus x is 2x. Plus 13 equals 91. Wah. I sure wish that 13 wasn't there, so I'm going to subtract 13 from both sides. So 2x plus 13 minus 13 is 2x. 91 minus 13 is 81 minus 3 is 78. And now I wish x were by itself instead of 2x being by itself. So I'm going to take both sides of this equation and divide them by 2. Half of 2x is x. Half of 78 must be easy. 39, because half of 80 would be 40. This pair less than that. So I got that x was 39. What was x? Well, thankfully I wrote that down when we started the problem. X was another number. We got that another number was 39. Now, if you recall, one number exceeds another by 13. I have that written down. If x is 39, then this other guy, 39 plus 13, it's 49, 52. And let's check in our original problem if this is right. One number exceeds another by 13. 52 exceeds 39 by 13. Their sum is 91. 39 plus 52, 1, carry 1, 4, it's 91. Great. These guys seem to follow the conditions in that problem. That says, what is the larger number? 52 is the larger number. Okay, I got two answers, but the larger of them was 52.